What if the next great fortune wasn't made on Earth, but among the stars? Imagine a visionary so bold, so innovative, that they unlocked the boundless wealth of the cosmos. This is the story of the first trillionaire born from space exploration, a tale of audacious ambition, groundbreaking technology, and unparalleled fortune. Today, we'll unravel how the vast expanse of space became the ultimate frontier for building a financial empire beyond imagination. As humanity gazes skyward, the allure of space is no longer limited to dreams. With billionaires like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos leading the charge, the potential for astronomical profits has never been greater. But to become the first trillionaire, one must go far beyond launching rockets. They must transform the very fabric of how humanity interacts with the universe. This is the story of Orion Vega, a visionary who reshaped the future by claiming his stake in the cosmos. The concept of becoming a trillionaire from space is rooted in humanity's insatiable drive for exploration and innovation. The vastness of space offers untapped opportunities, from mining asteroids rich in metals to colonizing planets capable of supporting life. Vega's journey exemplifies the intersection of vision, technology, and perseverance, proving that the stars are not just a dream but a destination. The era of private space exploration. The space race of the 20th century was dominated by governments, with NASA and the Soviet Union vying for supremacy. However, the 21st century marked a dramatic shift. Private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Rocket Lab have taken the helm, pioneering technologies that have drastically reduced the cost of reaching orbit. Orion Vega emerged during this transformative era. Born in the year 2005 in Palo Alto, California, Vega was a child prodigy obsessed with both astronomy and engineering. By the age of 16, he had designed a propulsion system that caught the attention of major aerospace firms. But Vega wasn't content with working for others. He wanted to redefine the rules of space exploration. In the year 2028, Vega founded Starbound Industries, a company dedicated to developing sustainable space travel. His first major breakthrough was the Starcore drive, a propulsion system that reduced the cost of launching payloads by 80%. This innovation democratized access to space, opening the door for industries and entrepreneurs to venture beyond Earth's atmosphere. Starbound Industries quickly became a leader in the burgeoning space economy, securing contracts with governments and corporations worldwide. By 2032, the company's annual revenue exceeded $50 billion, with its valuation soaring to over $300 billion. Vega's ability to merge vision with execution made him a force to be reckoned with. But this was only the beginning of his journey to unimaginable wealth. The visionary protagonist, Orion Vega. Orion Vega's meteoric rise to prominence was marked by both ingenuity and resilience. Born with an insatiable curiosity for the cosmos, he channeled his passion into practical innovation. But his journey wasn't without its share of roadblocks. Vega's early attempts to secure funding for Starbound Industries met resistance. Investors were hesitant, questioning the economic feasibility of his grandiose plans to mine asteroids and colonize Mars. Yet Vega's vision proved unyielding. One of the defining traits that set Vega apart was his ability to think beyond traditional paradigms. Where others saw insurmountable obstacles, he saw opportunities. This mindset led him to identify asteroid mining as a viable and potentially lucrative enterprise. While space travel companies primarily focused on transporting goods and passengers, Vega understood that the wealth of resources locked within asteroids could redefine the global economy. Asteroids hold immense reserves of metals such as platinum, gold, and nickel, essential for the advancement of technology. Vega assembled a team of leading engineers, roboticists, and geologists to design a mining system that could operate autonomously in the harsh conditions of space. After years of development, Starbound Industries launched its first asteroid mining mission in 2035. The mission's success shocked the world, returning materials valued at $12 billion. This landmark event silenced skeptics and positioned Vega as a pioneer of the space economy. Building on this momentum, Vega spearheaded the development of an entire fleet of mining spacecraft. By 2038, Starbound Industries operated 20 autonomous mining vessels, each equipped with cutting-edge AI to locate, extract, and transport valuable resources. These ships were capable of conducting multiple missions annually, with each trip yielding resources worth over $1 billion. The scale and efficiency of Vega's operations quickly elevated asteroid mining from speculative venture to cornerstone industry. This newfound wealth had far-reaching implications. By supplying a steady stream of rare metals, Vega's operations reduced costs for Earth-based industries, accelerating advancements in technology, energy production, and manufacturing. Governments, corporations, and even international coalitions sought partnerships with Starbound Industries, further entrenching its dominance in the space economy. Despite the monumental success, Vega remained focused on his ultimate goal, creating a sustainable and interplanetary future for humanity. This relentless pursuit of progress was not without controversy. Critics accused Vega of monopolizing space resources and questioned the ethics of extracting materials from celestial bodies. Yet, Vega countered these claims with a commitment to transparency and collaboration, ensuring that his ventures benefited not just his company but also the broader human enterprise. His story underscores the power of vision and determination, proving that even the vast expanse of space can be a stage for human ingenuity. The first fortune in space. Orion Vega's asteroid mining operations didn't just create wealth. They fundamentally altered the economic landscape of the 21st century. By the year 2040, Starbound Industries operated a sophisticated fleet of robotic mining vessels, each a marvel of autonomous engineering. These spacecraft ventured deep into the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, targeting celestial bodies rich in platinum, gold, nickel, and rare earth elements. The scale of the operations was staggering. Each mission brought back materials valued in the tens of billions of dollars. What once seemed like science fiction had become a cornerstone of the global economy. The ripple effects of this newfound wealth were profound and far-reaching. An abundance of rare metals flooded industries that had long been constrained by limited resources. The electronics sector, for example, saw exponential growth as manufacturers gained access to affordable raw materials for semiconductors and batteries. Renewable energy companies benefited immensely, with cheaper and more efficient components accelerating the adoption of solar, wind, and other sustainable technologies. Aerospace engineering leapt forward with lightweight, durable materials enabling breakthroughs in space travel, satellite construction, and even commercial aviation. Vega's influence extended beyond raw materials. Recognizing the inefficiencies of transporting resources back to Earth, he pioneered the concept of space-based manufacturing. Starbound Industries established orbital production facilities capable of assembling satellites, constructing solar arrays, and fabricating high-precision components in microgravity. These advancements reduced costs and expanded possibilities, creating entirely new markets and industries. By the year 2045, the cumulative impact of Vega's ventures had catapulted his net worth to over $700 billion, placing him on the brink of becoming the world's first trillionaire. However, this unprecedented concentration of wealth and power was not without its challenges. Governments around the globe expressed concerns about the implications of private control over space resources. Regulatory frameworks lagged behind technological advancements, prompting debates over the ownership of celestial assets. International coalitions scrambled to establish guidelines to ensure fair access while safeguarding economic stability. Activists and environmentalists raised ethical questions about the exploitation of extraterrestrial bodies. Critics argued that mining asteroids could disrupt celestial ecosystems, though Vega countered that no evidence supported such claims. He also faced scrutiny over the potential militarization of space, as some feared that his fleet of autonomous spacecraft could be weaponized. Vega addressed these concerns with a strategy rooted in transparency and diplomacy. He worked closely with international agencies to establish cooperative agreements, ensuring that his operations aligned with broader human interests. Beyond managing controversy, Vega actively invested in global progress. He dedicated significant portions of his wealth to philanthropic efforts, funding scholarships for underprivileged students in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM. His investments in infrastructure included advanced transportation networks, clean energy projects, and educational institutions, many of which were designed to prepare humanity for a future where space exploration was a shared endeavor. Orion Vega's leadership and vision reshaped humanity's relationship with the cosmos. His ability to navigate political, ethical, and technological challenges while maintaining a commitment to progress solidified his legacy as a transformative figure. By 2045, the wealth generated through asteroid mining had not only enriched Vega but also uplifted entire sectors of the global economy. This was not merely the story of a man amassing fortune. It was the dawn of a new era where humanity's aspirations extended beyond the confines of Earth. Colonizing Mars, the next frontier. Orion Vega's vision extended far beyond asteroid mining. For him, the ultimate goal was to secure humanity's future by establishing a foothold on another planet. He believed that becoming a multiplanetary species wasn't just a lofty ideal, it was a necessity. Earth's growing population, resource depletion, and environmental challenges underscored the urgency of seeking opportunities beyond our home planet. By the year 2047, Vega's ambition culminated in Starbound Industries' historic mission to establish a permanent settlement on Mars. This mission, named Horizon, was meticulously planned and executed. Years of research and development had gone into creating the technologies required to sustain life on the Red Planet. The initial landing involved a fleet of autonomous vehicles carrying modular habitats, life support systems, and advanced machinery. These modules were designed to interlock, forming the nucleus of what would become the first human colony on Mars. Horizon was not just a scientific endeavor. It was a bold commercial initiative aimed at unlocking the immense economic potential of Mars. Mars offered untapped resources that were critical for sustaining life and industry. Deposits of water ice were discovered in abundance beneath the planet's surface, providing a source of hydration, oxygen, and hydrogen for fuel. The Martian regolith contained valuable minerals like silicon, iron, and aluminum, which were essential for construction and manufacturing. Vega's team developed cutting-edge technologies to extract and utilize these resources, ensuring the colony's sustainability while reducing dependency on Earth. As Horizon grew, so did its significance. By the year 2050, the colony had expanded to house over 5,000 residents. These settlers were not just astronauts or scientists. They included engineers, entrepreneurs, and families, all drawn by the opportunity to be part of humanity's next great chapter. The colony's infrastructure was a marvel of ingenuity. Solar farms stretched across the Martian plains, providing abundant and reliable energy. Biodomes supported agriculture, growing crops adapted to the Martian environment. Manufacturing facilities produced tools, components, and even advanced materials for export back to Earth. Horizon was not just surviving, it was thriving. The colony became a hub for innovation, attracting global talent eager to push the boundaries of science and technology. Research initiatives included developing radiation-resistant materials, refining water recycling systems, and creating efficient propulsion technologies for interplanetary travel. These breakthroughs had a dual benefit. They advanced the capabilities of the Mars colony while offering solutions to pressing challenges on Earth. The economic model of Horizon was equally revolutionary. Specialized products manufactured on Mars, such as ultralight alloys and advanced electronics, found lucrative markets on Earth. The colony also served as a launchpad for deeper space exploration, with missions targeting the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. By establishing a thriving economy on Mars, Vega demonstrated that colonization was not merely an idealistic venture but a viable business enterprise. However, the road to success was not without obstacles. Establishing a permanent presence on Mars required overcoming enormous logistical, technical, and psychological challenges. The harsh Martian environment, with its thin atmosphere, freezing temperatures, and high radiation levels, posed constant threats. Vega's team addressed these risks through rigorous planning and innovation, but the human cost of such a pioneering endeavor could not be ignored. The settlers faced isolation, physical strain, and the pressures of building a new society in an alien world. Vega also faced criticism on Earth. Skeptics questioned whether resources spent on Mars colonization could be better used to address problems at home. Activists argued against the exploitation of another planet, raising concerns about repeating humanity's history of environmental degradation. Vega tackled these criticisms head-on, emphasizing the benefits of his work for both Earth and Mars. The technologies developed for Horizon, from water purification systems to renewable energy solutions, had immediate applications for solving Earth's crises. By the year 2055, Horizon was no longer just a colony. It was a testament to humanity's resilience and ingenuity. Its success solidified Vega's legacy as a visionary leader who turned a seemingly impossible dream into reality. The Martian colony became a symbol of hope, a reminder that humanity's future was not confined to Earth. Orion Vega's journey to Mars demonstrated that, with determination and innovation, even the stars were within reach. Challenges and controversies. Orion Vega's journey to becoming the first space trillionaire was not without obstacles. Critics argued that his ventures concentrated too much power in the hands of one individual. Others questioned the long-term environmental impact of space mining and colonization. Vega faced legal battles over the ownership of celestial resources, as international treaties lagged behind technological advancements. He also contended with cybersecurity threats, as rival entities sought to disrupt his operations. Through it all, Vega maintained a steadfast commitment to his vision, using his wealth and influence to advocate for global cooperation in space exploration. Despite these challenges, Vega's contributions to humanity were undeniable. He funded scholarships for underprivileged students in STEM fields, invested in renewable energy projects, and supported initiatives to combat climate change on Earth. His philanthropic efforts demonstrated that his wealth was not merely a personal achievement but a resource for advancing global progress. The historic milestone. In the year 2050, Orion Vega achieved what no one else had. He became the first trillionaire in history. His wealth was not merely a reflection of financial success but a testament to his ability to see beyond the limits of Earth. Vega's journey demonstrated that the final frontier was not just a dream. It was a realm of infinite possibilities. Vega's trillion-dollar milestone marked the beginning of a new era for humanity. His work inspired a generation of innovators and entrepreneurs to pursue the boundless opportunities of space. By pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible, Vega turned science fiction into reality, proving that the stars were no longer out of reach. The story of Orion Vega is one of ambition, resilience, and innovation. As humanity stands on the brink of a new era, the question arises: who will follow in his footsteps? The first trillionaire from space is not just a figure of imagination but a symbol of what can be achieved when we dare to reach beyond the stars. If you're inspired by this extraordinary journey, subscribe to our channel for more stories of visionary leaders and the limitless potential of human ingenuity.